last example. Same thing, we've got a quadratic that's already factored for us, and we're going to graph it. So just looking at this quadratic, I can tell since it has a 2 here that it's going to be a little steeper. And also by looking at this, I can find my intercepts. So the intercepts are going to be +3 and -1. So x-intercept is 3, 0, and -1, 0. And again, sometimes these will be called intercepts and sometimes we'll call them zeros because you're actually finding the place where y is 0, so that's why they're called that. So let's graph our intercepts. I have one at 3, 0, and I have one at -1, 0. Now, notice this is a +2, so that tells us that our parabola should open upwards. So my vertex should be down here somewhere so that it'll open up. I'm going to find the vertex point by first finding the axis of symmetry, and the axis of symmetry is halfway between these two. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 units, so it should be 2 units over, and the way I can find that is -1 + 3 divided by 2. So the axis of symmetry on this one is going to be at x = 1. They won't always be at x = 1, it just happened that way on both examples. So axis of symmetry, x = 1. We can find the y value by putting 1 back in for x. So I have 2 times 1 - 3 times 1 + 1. So 2 times -2 times 2 is -8. So the vertex is going to be at 1, -8. Oops. Let's just go like that. So vertex 1, -8.